Hey guys, it's April 28, 2022. Today we're looking at Ford. The top stock today for stocks under $100 traded the most volume. So this is a five-day chart. If you look at the 5-day chart, you can't really see a trend. You might have to zoom out to get a better idea what's going on. I don't think we ever spoke about this stock, but I do see maybe 15, 20 days ago, it was an upward trend that was broken maybe 5 days ago. And then a downward trend was forming, but it broke as of 3 days ago. So it looks like a little bit of sideways action is happening. I know you see how should I say this, kind of breakage in the trend here, but just to let you know, the whole market took a big plummet today, early in the morning. Don't know why, but it rebounced, regained itself, and started averaging out, in my opinion. So I don't think this has anything to do with Ford itself. But then again, let's see what type of news drove the stock today. Ford, we have a few bulletins: mixed earnings, lower guidance. Wells Fargo lowers price target for Ford to $24 from $25. Yikes. Then again, that's only a dollar. Goldman Sachs lowers price target to $18 from $20. Barclays lowers price to 16 from 17. So there's a lot of companies weighing in and lowering the price target, which is gonna, drive the sentiment of the market. Wells Fargo, Tesla, what's going on? Ford. Yeah, so I'm not too sure why everyone's lowering the target price, but that's never a good sign. So this is a stock. Hopefully someone shorted today and made some money. As far as what can happen in the future, can't really tell. Like I said, it's more so it's more so consolidating to either make a move upward or downward. So I would probably expect for this to continue sideways for the next day or two, play within this 15 and 40 cent range to 14.50 range. That's just my opinion. Um, but yeah, I probably wouldn't go long or short as of right now. Another stock I do want to look at that made quite a bit of noise is AMD. And this stock, okay, so we've been working on the stock. It had a downward trend for the past month or two. And as you can see, good news for those who are planning on going long. It actually broke our downward trend cone. So let's zoom in today to see if there's an opportunity to make some money. So I know some people will advise you to go long and set your stop loss somewhere at 86.15, since a lot of people believe support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. So you could try that if you want, but I think this is a good indicator that we should be seeing more movement a little higher towards 92, maybe even 94 before it just decides to go back down or do something else. But I do see upward trends in this recent likely future. But let's see what news is driving AMD. Last I remember, there was a lot of non-related bulletins that came out. We have quite a few today. What are whales doing with AMD? Here's how much you would have had if you had AMD 5 years ago. Blah 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 blah. Why AMD shares are rising higher? AMD shares are rising higher with sympathy, in sympathy with Qualcomm. So I guess the volume and the price target for AMD is not trading higher for AMD itself, but more so because of Qualcomm. Anywho, whatever the case is, I do see a bounce to where it should be moving up, because this is still a good stock in my opinion overall for like a long trade. As far as if it's priced too high to be buying in right now for a long trade, I kind of would say yeah, but if you're doing a short swing trade or you're a day trader, I would say this is a good time to set a quick long position. Um, just choose a good price, and as long as the price is over $86. You should be fine with a stop loss at $86. But remember, continue this cone and use this for the next following day if you're going to trade it tomorrow. But that's all, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I will check you out on the next video. Bye.